gonna be behind me. And you're gonna be behind me.
No, the way it's going to work is
Gotta get
if we
through.
need to slow down.
That's all right. I'm not in a hurry. As long as I get there before we get to the other end.